Hey everyone, welcome to the AI Advantage, Cutting Through the Chaos for Startups, a four-part video series to help you navigate AI, the governance of AI, ongoing trends and debates around the topic, but most importantly, how to help you thrive in this evolving landscape. My name is Michelle Niet. I'm an AI policy advocate and researcher, originally from California and currently based in Paris. I have a background in business and policy and focus on AI regulations and governance initiatives around the globe, primarily in the EU and the US. This video series is in collaboration with Susan AI, the first European AI governance platform, helping you deploy compliant and responsible AI at scale. Today, we're doing a quick overview on AI, what it currently is, and what the future of AI might look like. Let's dive in. So, what is AI? An AI system or AI model uses methods such as machine learning to help achieve complex tasks previously associated with human intelligence. It's a combination of three components: algorithms, compute, and data. Algorithms are the mathematical instructions that determine how an AI system processes information and makes decisions, like the instructions that guided fraud detection system to flag suspicious transactions. Compute is the computational capacity that makes it possible to perform certain tasks like training an algorithm. This is usually accessed through cloud computing, such as Amazon's AWS, where powerful data centers equipped with specialized AI chips run millions of calculations at once. And data is the information that is used to train and operate AI systems, such as text and images. This includes the web pages, books, news articles, videos, and social media posts that were used to train the most advanced AI models. You're probably already familiar with large language models, or LLMs, also known as generative AI models, such as ChatGPT. But AI is also used in social media recommender algorithms, weather prediction tools, voice assistants, and more. But for the purposes of this video series, we'll largely be focused on LLMs when we talk about AI. If you haven't noticed, AI is everywhere and seems to be used by every company. According to McKinsey, over three-quarters of businesses use AI in at least one business function. And according to the Stanford 2025 AI Index report, 71% of survey respondents use generative AI in at least one business function. And AI skills are increasingly valued. Employment data in the US shows that 1 in 4 job postings are looking for employees with AI skills. AI is increasingly used by businesses to generate text and images, analyze large quantities of data, code websites and software, serve as the front line of customer service teams, and more. AI agents, partially or fully autonomous AI systems that can do specific tasks for you, can be used to book travel, make appointments, and even manage workflows. However, they still fall short of humans on some key tasks. For example, the Stanford report mentions that AI can't reliably solve problems requiring logical reasoning such as math or planning yet. So, what's in store for the future of AI? It's generally agreed upon that there will be no stopping AI progress anytime soon, but experts have various predictions. The AI 2027 project predicts that there will be a superhuman coder by early 2027. And according to IBM, models and tools will become increasingly personalized, and AI companions, friends, and even coworkers may become commonplace. It's clear that AI is becoming increasingly important and will massively improve performance on key business functions. We see it starting even now, such as chatbots that can already resolve 80% of routine customer queries, and more is coming. In this video, we've talked about the basics of AI. In our next video, we'll talk about how startups can shape global governance. But first, share how you're using AI for your business in the comments, and let us know if there are any specific challenges related to AI that you're facing. Be sure to subscribe to Susan AI to keep posted when the next video drops. Thanks and see you next week.